What's up YouTube, this is Jesse aka Royalty Custom Sneakers and I'm back with another video. Today I'm going to show you how to turn your old beat up kicks into custom works of art. For this shoe we're going to keep the old gritty feeling and go with a design inspired by the cordyceps fungus from The Last of Us. So sit back and let's get into it. Today's canvas is an old beat up pair of Air Force Ones. I start off by adding a layer of bone onto the white leather. This plays into the beat up feeling and makes the shoe look older. As always, my paint is from Angelus Direct and there will be a link in the description below. Now I'm going to apply some earthy tones with my brush roughly against the surface to create earthy texture and a gritty feeling. Now I apply my pale yellow with a toothpick, mimicking the fungus design from The Last of Us. I'm going to use Angelus Buttercup and Georgia Peach to play up the different colors and textures of the fungus. Now I'm going to go across the toe box and add larger strands of the fungus, using pale yellow first and then building up with the other colours. Now it's time to lace them up and see how they look. There you have it, how to turn your old beat up kicks into works of art. If you enjoyed the video, like and consider subscribing to see more. If you want your own pair of customs, hit me up at Royalty Custom Sneakers on Instagram. And as always, stay royal.